Good evening, all. Welcome, all of you. Audio, video clear. Please respond. Yes. So, welcome to the very important lecture on exam hacks for General Aptitude. Those who are preparing for July 2024 CSIR-NET. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and next day, these 3 days you have exam for life science, mathematical science, physical science, chemical science, earth science. All these streams, this session is very important, or we can say the most important lecture before exam. So please invite your friends, let more people join. I will wait for 1 minute. By that time, please invite your friends for attending this session, and they can watch it recorded also, but if they can attend live, that will be more interactive and more useful, so that they can clear their doubts in the live class itself. Others who are watching recording, mention your doubts in the comments. When we get time, definitely we will try to reply you. So for the new people, my name is Christy Varghese. I have trained more than 2 lakh aspirants for CSIR-NET in the last 10 years, and I am the author of the book CSIR-NET General Aptitude and New Outlook. This is the current bestseller book for CSIR-NET Part A preparation. If you want a printed study material for CSIR-NET Part A, you can get this book from Amazon and Flipkart website. And if you want free resources, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon and go through the playlist. You can find many important videos for CSIR-NET, for GATE, for UPSC CSAT, for speed maths. All these free resources you can access. And also, if you want updates of our free resources, daily quizzes, daily free study materials updated, then you can visit our website christyvarghese.in, or there is a new website christysclasses.in also. You can visit these websites. You can visit our Telegram channel and subscribe the channel, and you can visit our WhatsApp group by texting to this number or scanning this QR code, and you can download our mobile application Christy's Classes. Mathematics J is asking PDF flashcards PDF कैसे मिलेगा? Flashcard ebook मिलेगा mobile application Christy's Classes पे Mathematics J. This is the flashcard ebook, 100 flashcard series for CSIR-NET. Christy's Classes mobile application का link description पे दिया है. Download it, and there you can find the ebook for 100 flashcards. That is an ebook which can be accessed in the app itself. So that is it. And other paid courses के लिए भी mobile application पे ही मिल सकता है. All our paid courses and other free resources you can get it from our mobile application. And updates of free classes also you can get it. Mathematics Day hard copy, currently it is not available, but we are planning to make it available in 1 month or so. In Amazon website you can find it, and Flipkart also we are trying to make it available. So Amazon anyway it will be available in 1 month, because the other works are going on for printing it and all. So hard copy, if you want, check the Amazon website after 1 month from this live lecture time. Okay. So and CSIR-NET के लिए complete course, those some of you are actually December exam के लिए ज़्यादा prepare कर रहा है. For those people, complete course for CSIR-NET Part A is available at a very discounted price. 60 recorded videos, almost 90 hours of content, 90 hours of content, and free online study materials. And वो content आपका subscription period में any number of times you can watch. Complete theory, previous year questions, practice questions सब इसमें included है. और लैपटॉप में भी एक्सेस कर सकता है, मोबाइल में भी एक्सेस कर सकता है क्लासेस. एंड फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन कॉन्टैक्ट इन दिस नंबर. दीज आर द फ्री स्टडी मटेरियल्स. डेमो वीडियोस भी अवेलेबल है मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन पे फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. 2 डेमो वीडियोस आर देयर इन द मोबाइल ऐप इटसेल्फ. एंड 1 month, 3 month, 6 month and 12 month सब्सक्रिप्शंस आर अवेलेबल. गेट एग्जाम के लिए लाइव कोर्स शुरू हो रहा है August 1st से लाइव कोर्स. इसमें 100 hours ऑफ कंटेंट है, 100 hours of content live and recorded. 66 live lectures होगा और online study materials होगा. Complete theory, previous year questions, practice questions, shortcut methods. I'm just waiting for more people to be part of the live session. That is why by that time I will just introduce the full length course or complete courses in our mobile app. So live doubt clearing sessions होगा. Verbal aptitude और non-verbal aptitude दोनों cover होगा इसमें. फ्लैश कार्ड का रिविजन भी होगा. 100 hours recorded videos. वैलिडिटी गेट एग्जाम तक होगा. इट इज एन 8 month वैलिडिटी कोर्स. That means for 8 months you can watch any number of times this recording of the videos. लाइव क्लासेस अटेंड भी कर सकता है, रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस भी देख सकता है, शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स एग्जाम हैक का भी वीडियोस होगा, प्रैक्टिस वर्कशीट्स मॉक टेस्ट भी अवेलेबल होगा, कोर्स इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों में होगा, दोनों लैंग्वेज में होगा, आई मीन मिक्स होगा, दोनों लैंग्वेज मिक्स होगा, एंड यू कैन एक्सेस द क्लास इन लैपटॉप एंड मोबाइल फोन. The live course timing is 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Recording you can watch any number of times, any time in this subscription period. It's an 8-month course. First 4 months classes hoga. Next 4 months it will be like practice, mock test, etc. So mobile app Christy's classes mein or christysclasses.in website pe, these are the two ways you can watch the classes. So these are the details of the online study materials. Those of you want flashcards, if you are part of our GATE course, GATE का flashcards मिलेगा. CSIR-NET course के साथ CSIR का flashcards भी available है. You don't have to purchase it separately. Complete course means it's a complete course. Everything for your exam is covered in that for General Aptitude section. और ये course सारा streams के लिए common है, not only pure science. Most of you are preparing for chemical science or chemistry, ecology, evolution, geology, geophysics, mathematics, physics, statistics, life sciences. But engineering stream के लिए भी GATE aptitude similar है, so same type है. That is why they can also attend it. If any of your friends are of engineering stream and preparing for GATE, let them know about this course. So yeah, this is the full details of the course. More about it I will tell towards the end of the class. इसमें live interaction होगा so that you get a classroom like environment itself in this online program. So question and answer session live होगा, doubt clearing session live होगा, और for your support there will be a Telegram group and WhatsApp group where you can post your doubts anytime. So all these are part of this course. So all of you are welcome to be part of it. Now it is available at the special discounted price. Check the description of the video to get the direct link to join the course. And in case you have financial issues due to which you cannot join it, and if you want to genuinely learn general aptitude from me, do call us or do let us know. We will try to give discount for you. If you are genuinely want to learn and finance is the reason that you cannot join the course, or if you feel that investing this much for the aptitude section is not feasible for you, do let us know. We want to support students for learning, so that way also we will try to support all of you. And along with that, this free classes is also as part of our initiatives to support students access free classes itself through our YouTube channel. So please support these initiatives. If you feel that more free classes should be there, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, share the video, like the video, comment the video, because that way YouTube also will recommend this free content to more people, and that will be a big encouragement for me to come up with more free classes. So this is the complete schedule of the GATE course, and this is how you can join it, or check the description. The direct link to join the course is also available. Okay, so that is the intro. I think more people have joined. If any of you have forgotten to invite your friends for this session, please share this link now itself. Let more people join. Okay, so CSIR-NET ka syllabus, this is the syllabus and these are the 4 questions. Last 4 lectures, I hope many of you have already attended it. If not, you can check the recording of that video after this class. Usme I already told you what all are the different types of questions, expected questions, rapid fire series, exam hack series, all those things you can already see. This session is actually particularly targeting just before exam, some basic things that you should remember before exam. So I will start. So first important thing is, yeah, in previous sessions also I have discussed this, but now I am discussing it with revised questions of the last few latest question paper. In that exam hack video, I have discussed older questions. Here we are discussing new questions so that you get more practice through this session itself. The most important thing in aptitude section is how you solve a question. That is the objective approach of solving questions. ये बहुत ही important है. The problem is you are doing an objective question paper, but you are following a descriptive question paper approach. Descriptive question paper approach means question solve करना है, answer find करना है, then answer को tick करना है. That is what you do. But options are also part of the question, na? तो ऑप्शंस लर्न किया तो ही पता चलेगा कौन सा मेथड यूज करना है. लीस्ट टाइम कंज्यूमिंग मेथड. दिस इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. रीड द क्वेश्चन एंड द ऑप्शंस. डोंट रीड टिल क्वेश्चन मार्क ओनली. क्वेश्चन मार्क के बाद 4 ऑप्शंस है ना, ऑप्शंस भी रीड करिए. उसके बाद डिसाइड करिए कौन सा मेथड बेटर होगा. मेथड के बारे में वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस मेनी वीडियोस, द 15 शॉर्टकट मेथड्स ऑफ डूइंग जनरल एप्टीट्यूड. तो लीस्ट टाइम कंज्यूमिंग मेथड वो क्वेश्चन के लिए कौन सा है वो चूज करिए. उसके बाद सॉल्व करिए क्वेश्चन. और इन अदर वर्ड्स, when you see a question, selecting the correct answer is one possibility, rejecting the not possible answers is another possibility. Many question rejecting options is the best way. Rejection अप्रोच के लिए ही एलिमिनेशन बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन है, एलिमिनेशन बाय सेलेक्टेड स्टेटमेंट्स है, एलिमिनेशन बाय रिलेटेड ऑप्शंस है, एलिमिनेशन बाय एनालाइजिंग ऑप्शंस है, एलिमिनेशन बाय इंटरप्रेटिंग फिगर्स है. These are different rejection approaches. With question I will explain this. This is a 2022 net exam problem. Make a try all of you. ये question try करिए. Nitish, last classes was expected question lecture itself. Almost 2 hours 5 minutes was the lecture duration. उसमें already हम expected questions discuss किया है. Those of you are new, last 3-4 days we had continuous like 2 hour each. Almost for the last 4-5 days we are continuing this lecture series. If you missed the previous session, you can go through that also. Recording are already available here. Try this, all of you. 1 minute to try. All of you try and post your answer. Get some water and come. Okay, I'll explain. So here also the objective approach is very important. Question is asking which of the following is not possible na? Impossible situation. Yeah, this is another tip I want to tell you, or another hack I want to tell you, that read the question properly. Read the question properly means in many question, if you miss one single word in the question, or if you misunderstand one single word in the question, you will get a wrong answer. That is very possible. So not possible पूछा है, possible नहीं. And सारा ऑप्शन डायमेट्रिकली ऑपोजिट के बारे में पूछा है ना. तो क्वेश्चन रीड करने के बाद ऑप्शन भी रीड करिए. उससे पता चलेगा वी नीड टू नो ओनली डायमेट्रिकली ऑपोजिट. Diametrically opposite means 6 people means if this is a circle and 6 people, if I am arranging like this. Seating arrangement का question है. Seating arrangement का detailed lecture we have already given before. So yes, 6 people. Diametrically opposite means these two are diametrically opposite, these two are diametrically opposite, these two are diametrically opposite. मतलब for one person only one diametrically opposite person is available. अभी देखिए क्वेश्चन में एक ही डेटा डायमेट्रिकली ऑपोजिट के बारे में दे रहा है. T and R are diametrically opposite. Like T is here, R is here. T and R are diametrically opposite. T and R diametrically opposite है तो T का diametrically opposite partner is R, R का diametrically opposite partner is T. Now options देखिए. T का diametrically opposite S लिखा है, option C. That is why option C is the answer. Not possible होना चाहिए ना, because already T opposite is R. Then how T opposite can be S? It is impossible na. So option C is the answer because not possible is the question. बाकी सारा sentences not needed है if you are using this approach, rejection approach of doing questions. All of you understood the importance of having objective approach. कुछ questions के लिए selection better है, कुछ question के लिए rejection better है. One more example देगा. Try this question. Try this question, all of you, super fast. So if you are watching this session, if the session is useful, please do hit the like button. That will help this video to reach to more and more people, and that is something that we want more people to know about this session and know about the free initiatives that we are running. And try to support the free initiatives as much as possible by personally recommending it to your friends and sharing it to your WhatsApp group, Telegram groups, etc. Check the description of the video for all other free resources, new students. Due to lack of time, I will start explaining. A 2-digit number is such that the digit 4 placed to its right. Like if 2-digit number is say XY, uska right side mein 4 place kiya, to its value would increase by 490. That means XY ka साथ 490 add kiya to ye XY4 wala number milega. Now finally question is asking find the original number. Matlab ye XY kya hai, that is what is given in the options na. From the options we understood that yahan pe elimination by substitution is the best way. पिछले क्वेश्चन में एलिमिनेशन बाय सेलेक्टेड स्टेटमेंट्स यूज किया है. दिस इज कॉल्ड एलिमिनेशन बाय सेलेक्टेड स्टेटमेंट्स. आई टोल्ड यू देयर आर डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ एलिमिनेटिंग. एलिमिनेशन बाय सेलेक्टेड स्टेटमेंट्स यूज कर सकता है, एलिमिनेशन बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन यूज कर सकता है. ये क्वेश्चन में एलिमिनेशन बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन इज द बेस्ट. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर ऑलरेडी फेमिलियर विद सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड. ओरिजिनल नंबर 48 है, तो 48 का राइट साइड 4 अटैच किया, तो दैट इज व्हाट द क्वेश्चन सेज ना. 2-digit number such that 4 is placed to its right, then its value means 48 का वैल्यू 490 इंक्रीज होगा. मतलब 48 का साथ 490 ऐड किया तो 484 मिलना चाहिए, बट 48 प्लस 490 484 नहीं है ना. तो कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन मीन्स ऑप्शन ए इम्पॉसिबल है, आंसर होना इम्पॉसिबल है. तो ऑप्शन ए इज नॉट द आंसर. क्लियर? डू द सेम फॉर ऑप्शन बी ऑल्सो. 54 आंसर है, तो 54 का राइट साइड पे 4 अटैच किया, तो 54 के साथ 490 ऐड किया तो 544 मिलना चाहिए. देन ओनली दिस इज करेक्ट, बिकॉज दैट इज व्हाट द क्वेश्चन सेज. 54 plus 590 is 490 is exactly 544. So LHS equal to RHS, no contradiction. So option B is the answer. यहाँ पे elimination by substitution was the better way, because direct method time consuming है. Let 10xy plus y be the 2-digit number. Then 100x plus 10y plus 4 is the 3-digit number. ऐसा करना टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है, इसलिए एलिमिनेशन बेटर था. कैसा पता चला एलिमिनेशन बेटर है? बाय रीडिंग क्वेश्चन एंड ऑप्शंस एंड देन चूजिंग द लीस्ट टाइम कंज्यूमिंग मेथड. So please follow objective approach, otherwise it will take more time. More time means less question. Less question means you will get tensed also, that there is chances of making careless mistake. So before exam, this is what I want to emphasize. Please have an objective approach. This is a homework question for this. Read the question. If you have the objective approach, ये question super fast कर सकता है. This question also is another example. Mensuration का question है. Now the second important thing I want to tell you is the time factor, the importance of time. Aptitude section के लिए maximum 30 minutes. As those of you have exam this week, let me tell you once again, aptitude के लिए maximum 30 minutes spare करना है exam में. If you know more also, don't spare more than 30. Then if you have time towards the end, you can revisit aptitude. ये तो maximum 30 minutes. So ideally एक question के लिए 2 minutes. 2 minutes per question. So 15 questions करना है ना. Out of 20 you are supposed to write only 15 questions. So 2 minutes into 15, 30 minutes. Again 30 minutes maximum बताया. If you think that you don't know aptitude much, that I can try only 10 questions. 10 questions है तो 20 minutes ideally. The idea is हर question के लिए 2 minutes. According to how good you are at aptitude, you can increase the time, but increase the question also accordingly. Otherwise you are doing mistake, because some people say that I got 30 out of 30 in aptitude. I will ask them how much time you took. Some people say 1.5 hours. That is of no use in my opinion. क्योंकि 1.5 hour aptitude के लिए यूज किया, तो बाकी 1.5 hour पे सब्जेक्ट पार्ट कंप्लीट करना बहुत मुश्किल है. इम्पॉसिबल नहीं, बट मुश्किल है. That is why aptitude के लिए more time देना, it's not a wise decision. Ideally 30 minutes, but exam hall है, so many things can happen that you get confused, or some question you take more time. So 5 minutes extra maybe, but not more than that. 45 minutes, 1 hour for aptitude. Then the problem is सब्जेक्ट पार्ट के लिए टाइम कम मिल रहा है. मतलब एप्टीट्यूड में स्कोर इंक्रीज किया तो भी सब्जेक्ट पार्ट में वो टाइम कम होके वहां पे स्कोर डिक्रीज हो रहा है ना. So that should not happen. You should have a proper plan. That is the next thing I want to tell you. Part A, Part B, Part C 3 sections है ना. Part A है aptitude. ये Part B, Part C ये तीनों सेक्शन के लिए टाइम अलॉट करना है. Like Part A के लिए 30 minutes. Part B, Part C के लिए कितना टाइम चाहिए, that you know, or your subject educators have taught you if you have attended a course from a subject educator. So anyway, Part A के लिए 30 minutes, that is what I will suggest you. And assign time means अब डिसाइड करना है आप पार्ट ए बिगिनिंग में करेगा या एंड में करेगा या मिडिल में करेगा. Some of you may be thinking to ask me regarding that, whether part A should be done in the beginning or in the end or in the middle. For that, the answer is not very simple, because subject part also is a deciding factor there. But my opinion is part A should be done at a time when your brain can process better, when your presence of mind is better. Normally that is in the beginning of the exam, but some people are able to maintain the presence of mind or that higher thought process skills throughout the exam. Then you can do part A anytime. But if you think that part A end में किया तो ज़्यादा confusion होगा या ज़्यादा time लगेगा, then please don't do part A in the end, because careless mistakes part A में बनाने का chances part B, part C से भी ज़्यादा है. Because part A is more logical, more analytical, that needs your presence of mind. Slight carelessness also may lead to a wrong answer. So इसलिए part A should be done at a time when your brain is fresh. If you can keep your brain fresh throughout the exam, do part A anytime you want. But otherwise, do part A in the beginning or at least in the middle. Because the main complaint many people have is, if they do part A in the beginning, they are taking too much time for part A, that they are not able to try part B, part C with comfortably. That is your mistake, na? That is why I am saying 30 minutes for part A वो fixed होना चाहिए. For that, what I will suggest you is, हर question के बाद timer पे देखिए. It's an online test now, ना? तो हर question के बाद timer देखिए. Make it as a habit, so that automatically your brain will say, okay, you are taking more time. And always the time is on check, ना? Part A के लिए नहीं, part B, part C तीनों section के लिए always look into the screen after the question is completed, after each question is completed. And another mistake many people make is, they think like, if I try a question, I should not skip the question. They have a ego problem, I will say. I tried this question, then how I will leave it? I don't feel like leaving it. Please don't do that. एक question try करने के बाद समझ में आ रहा है, this question is not leading you to the answer. You are getting more confused. You are not even understanding the meaning of the question. Then please don't spend too much time on that. There should be a limit. Like when you read the question in 30 seconds, you didn't understand. You gave 30 seconds more. 1 minute. Maybe maximum half more minute. 1.5 minutes is too much to understand a question. Because 1.5 minutes means बाकी half minute में करना है. Yeah, some questions are like that if you understood the question already, the solution is done. That's why I told you, some question के लिए 1 minute, 1.5 minutes okay है. But you should try to reduce that time as much as possible. 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes से भी question का meaning भी समझ में नहीं आया तो please skip the question. Don't stick on to that question, because that question is actually reducing your total marks. Because you're spending more time on that, you cannot solve more questions on part A also, and eventually part B, part C also. So assign time for part A, and हर question के लिए 2 minutes, even if you are not getting answer after that also, try to skip it. Learn how to skip questions also. That is what I will suggest you. And the third hack is right method, choosing the right method. 15 shortcut methods के बारे में हम already बहुत बार discuss किया है, और previous videos भी देखिए. exam hack का एक playlist ही दिया है. In that I have given all these explanation of all these shortcut methods. तो वो shortcut methods flexible है, तो हर क्वेश्चन के लिए राइट मेथड यूज करना इंपॉर्टेंट है. या आई हैव शोन यू ऑलरेडी 2 एग्जांपल ना. ये क्वेश्चन के लिए एलिमिनेशन बाय सेलेक्टेड स्टेटमेंट्स वाज द बेस्ट मेथड. ये क्वेश्चन के लिए एलिमिनेशन बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन वाज द बेस्ट मेथड. So choose the right method. That is the important thing. This is an example for that. Please go through it. In the previous exam hack video, I have solved these questions already. So go through that. This is another question. If you use the right method, the answer is simple. Try this question. I will explain this super fast. Today we will complete the session in say 1 hour maximum, because some of you have exam tomorrow. Today the live students are also comparatively lesser compared to yesterday. I think you people also want time for your final revision of subject part also, because of your exam tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and day after, next day. So that is why we will complete the session in 1 hour. So answer faster so that we can go on to the next tip or next hack. So in this question, shortest distance between the parallel line A and B. Shortest distance will be the perpendicular distance. Now all these are perpendicular distances. All these are perpendicular distances. So particularly A distance, we need to find this distance. That is easy to find. ये triangle ABC देखिए, triangle ABC पे ये हम calling this BX. ये BX line का length पूछा है. BX line AB line से भी ज्यादा है ना. AB line 2 units है. ये perpendicular line है, ये slanted line है. So clearly if this is our required unknown X, वो X 2 से कम होना चाहिए, because both are joining the same base and height. ये straight line है, ये slanted height है. Slanted height should be definitely larger than the straight line height. So X is less than 2. X is less than means answer. X is less than 2 means answer should be less than 2. 2 is not less than 2. 2 root 2 is not less than 2. 2 root 3 is not less than 2. Only option less than 2 is root 2. This is how to reject options or choosing the right method. Elimination by interpreting the figure we have done here. Interpretation of the figure was the key. So this is another example. You can try it yourself. Taking example is the best method. Taking example method. Taking example method का explanation already दिया है. Number system का question है. Taking example method से easily कर सकता है. ये 2022 फरवरी वाला क्वेश्चन था. इसमें भी taking example method यूज किया तो बहुत ही सिंपल है. Taking example method. So choosing the right method is very important. Choosing the right method. So now the next hack I want to tell you is choose the right question. As I already told you, when you see a question is difficult and not able to solve, please don't stick on to that question. You should have that presence of mind to skip the question at the right time. Because some people just spend 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, not realizing even that I am spending this much time on this question and wasting time. So you should have that presence of mind in exam hall. That how much time I am taking for each question, whether I am wasting time, whether I am reducing the marks from subject part. ऐसा thought process होना चाहिए. So in every exam, what I have observed analyzing the last 12 years CSIR-NET previous year question papers, हर question paper में on an average 7 to 8 easy questions होता है. Easy questions means they are the questions which can be done in 1.5 minutes also if your practice is good. Easy questions का example चाहिए तो I have given a set of 20 easy questions in a previous YouTube video we have recently uploaded. Recently means about 2 weeks back. 20 easiest CSIR-NET PYQs. These are the examples of that. For example, this coding decoding question. बहुत ही simple है. +1, +2, +3, +4. This was the idea. Then this था. If you use the right method. This question series formation का question है. कल ये question discuss किया था. और ये question number system का question है. Taking example method use किया तो बहुत ही simple है. We have discussed all these questions already in the previous video. That is why I am not repeating. I am just showing you examples of simple questions. 2017 और 22 में दोनों ईयर में यह क्वेश्चन रिपीट हुआ था. लॉस ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स का बेसिक आइडिया पता है तो बहुत ही सिंपल है. a raised to m raised to n is a raised to m raised to n. That is m raised to n should be done first. उससे ये क्वेश्चन सुपर फास्ट कर सकता है. 2 raised to 16 मिलेगा. ये क्वेश्चन 2022 में पूछा था. नंबर सिस्टम का बेसिक क्वेश्चन है. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन आइडिया काफी है ये क्वेश्चन करने के लिए. सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. ये क्वेश्चन yesterday I taught you one example of this. ये 51 फैक्टोरियल का है. yesterday हम 30 फैक्टोरियल का डिस्कस किया था. 51 फैक्टोरियल 51 by yeah, product ends in how many zeros means how many tens are there. How many tens are there means you need to first count how many fives are there. So yesterday I taught you a technique now. 51 by 5, 51 by 5 square, 51 by 5 cube till you get 0. So adding it you will get the answer. This shortcut trick I have taught you. Power of 3, power of 5, power of 7, etc. Trailing zeros or zeros in the end means how many fives are there. That is a logic in this situation. Then not repeating it. This is another example. This we already discussed yesterday. So if you missed it, that recording is already available. ये क्वेश्चन देखिए, एज प्रॉब्लम का एग्जाम्पल है. ये बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. तो एलिमिनेशन बाय सेलेक्टेड स्टेटमेंट यूज किया तो ये क्वेश्चन 1 मिनट में कर सकता है. अरिथमेटिक मीन का क्वेश्चन है, बहुत ही सिंपल है क्वेश्चन, 2022 में पूछा था. दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम एवरेज इटसेल्फ. वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन इफ यू यूज एलिमिनेशन टेक्निक. And this is a question from mixtures and alligation. 2023 एग्जाम में पूछा था. Alligation ट्रिक पता है तो 50 मिक्स करके 40 मिलना चाहिए. Alligation डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है. This is the alligation diagram. Please check out the previous videos. We have discussed all these things. And permutation combination का question है. Answer is 4 into 6, 24. So very simple. Fundamental principle of counting. Probability का question है. Many people believe probability is difficult. But many a times बहुत स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चन पूछा था. एंड बिलीव मी, ये सेम क्वेश्चन डिफरेंट वर्डिंग्स यूज करके 5 टाइम्स CSIR एग्जाम में पूछा था. 5 टाइम्स सेम क्वेश्चन. I mean same logic. Either a dice or a coin is repeatedly thrown, and first few outcomes you know, what will be the last outcome? बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. 1/6 is the answer for this. Basic definition of probability काफी है ये क्वेश्चन करने के लिए. The flashcard revision series also, I have discussed the theory in detail. Go through the flashcard revision series, those of you are new to my channel. Flashcard revision series, exam hack series, rapid fire series, new outlook series. These series itself, if you follow, you can learn a lot for the upcoming CSIR exam. Geometry का question है, बहुत ही simple है. This is what I want to tell you. Many people believe that some chapters are difficult, that no question from that chapter will be easy. Some people say probability is the toughest chapter. ज्योमेट्री इज द टफेस्ट चैप्टर. वो सीमिंगली टफेस्ट चैप्टर से भी बहुत ही सिली क्वेश्चन पूछा है. फॉर एग्जांपल ज्योमेट्री से ये सिली क्वेश्चन पूछा है. यह क्वेश्चन सिली होगा कब? इफ यू नो दिस फॉर्मूला. If you know this formula that n minus 2 into 180 degree is sum of interior angle, and if it's a regular polygon, each angle will be dividing by n. We have discussed it in detail in geometry class. Go through it. Or in the 20 easiest questions lecture, we have discussed this particular question also. How many rectangles are there? Counting of rectangle or square or triangle question. Last few years में repeatedly पूछा था. Expected question series which we conducted yesterday. We have discussed these kinds of question, or these are important. I told you already. So 8 will be the answer here. Then set theory का एक simple question. I mean Venn diagram का idea वाला. Elimination से ये question easily कर सकता है. 17 is here. 5 is here, 5 is here, 5 is here. So 5 वाला ऑप्शन एलिमिनेट कर सकता है. रीड द क्वेश्चन, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड, और चेकआउट द रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट. एंड वेन डायग्राम का ऐसा वाला क्वेश्चन भी रिपीटेडली आ रहा है लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स में. सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. आई एम शोइंग यू एग्जांपल्स ऑफ ईसीएस क्वेश्चन नाउ. एग्जांपल्स ऑफ ईसीएस क्वेश्चन. एंड क्लॉक प्रॉब्लम का बेसिक थियरी हाफ इंटू 60h minus 11m पता है तो ये क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली कर सकता है. हाफ इंटू 60 इंटू मॉडुलस ऑफ 60 इंटू 3 minus 11 इंटू 15. ये किया तो बहुत ही इजीली आंसर मिल सकता है. ऑप्शन डी 7.5. देन क्लॉक प्रॉब्लम का ईसीएस क्वेश्चन, ये कल एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन लेक्चर में ये क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया है. कैलेंडर का ऑड डे वाला आइडिया काफी है ऐसा क्वेश्चन करने के लिए. ऑड डे वाला आइडिया. So the 20 ECS question example, I hope you got an idea. Examples of ECS question. बट कुछ क्वेश्चन ऑलवेज डिफिकल्ट होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये क्वेश्चन देखिए. डिफिकल्ट का मीनिंग इम्पॉसिबल नहीं, डिफिकल्ट का मीनिंग इतना ही है टाइम ज्यादा लगेगा वो क्वेश्चन करने के लिए. 2 मिनट से ज्यादा में भी. और इफ योर प्रैक्टिस इज गुड यू कैन डू इट इन 2 मिनट्स. ये क्वेश्चन ज्योमेट्री वाला क्वेश्चन है, लेकिन इसका सॉल्यूशन बहुत टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है. इफ योर ज्योमेट्री स्किल्स इज सुपर गुड, you may be able to do it in 2 minutes. Otherwise ये question 2 minutes से ज़्यादा लगेगा. So my opinion is, if you feel a question is taking more than 2 minutes, you should skip it It is just like a good cricket batsman know how to judge the ball correctly and leave it or play it. Just like that, you should be able to identify कौन सा क्वेश्चन ट्राई करना है, कौन सा क्वेश्चन स्किप करना है. यह डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन का एक क्वेश्चन है, सॉल्वेबल है, इसलिए सॉल्वेबल है, लेकिन टाइम ज्यादा लगेगा, इसलिए ये एक डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन है. Unless your skills of interpretation is very good, this question will take more than 2 minutes. बस हर ऑप्शंस टेबल यूज करके एनालाइज करना पड़ेगा. We already discussed this in geometry, data interpretation chapter, but this is a time consuming question. So as I told in the blueprint, some chapters, again the problem is selecting few chapters is not a good idea, because sometimes from the easy chapters difficult question comes, difficult chapters easy questions comes. This is the rough number of questions you can expect from each chapter. लेकिन वो questions easy होगा या difficult होगा, we cannot predict it at all. That is why practice all chapters before exam, so that even if a question have difficult question from that chapter, you can skip it and go to the easy question from other chapter. So the next hack I want to tell you is finding the catch in the question. Many questions there will be a word or a phrase that will give you the answer super fast. This example I have shown you a million times maybe, but this is a classical question to help you understand this exam hack. So try this all of you. ये क्वेश्चन ट्राई करिए. 2017 और 2022 दोनों ईयर्स में ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट हुआ था. Okay, I will explain what is the volume of soil in an open bed of size 2 meter into 2 meter into 10 centimeter. So, audio is clear now. Audio, am audible or not? So, here, some people, the misunderstanding they make is they think that the question is asking volume of this pit. Volume of this pit means 2 into 2 into 10 centimeter. Yeah, 10 centimeter is 0.1. 2 into 2 into 0.1. But volume of pit nahi, volume of soil pucha hai. So that is the catch in the question or phrase that is needed to solve the question super fast. So volume of soil means answer 0 होगा, क्योंकि open pit मतलब empty pit है. ये dimension matter नहीं करेगा. ये dimension matter नहीं करेगा because it's an empty pit. Pit contains nothing. Nothing मतलब volume 0 है ना. Content inside is called volume. So ये idea clear है तो many questions you can answer it super fast. And this idea I want to extend it to the next tip, ignoring irrelevant data. ये क्वेश्चन में irrelevant data था. 2 meter 10 centimeter is irrelevant data. Don't waste your time on that irrelevant data. Many times, because the problem is many a times in school days, most of the question, the data given in the question are needed for the solution. Without that you cannot solve. But CSIR exam या competitive exam में ऐसा नहीं, dummy data extra देगा just to confuse you. So you have to avoid irrelevant data and you have to find the catch or the important point in the question to solve the question faster. So ignoring irrelevant data, one more example I have given here. Go through this. Try this as homework. Answer will be 600. Many dummy data is given to confuse you. Solution in detail I have given here. So this is another example. Train wala question. इसमें width of the train is given just to confuse you. It's an irrelevant data. Dummy data है. Ignore करना है. Ignore करना है. This is the situation of the train problem. Here the width of the bridge does not matter at all. Only length of the bridge matter. 20 meter width is given just to confuse you. So avoid करना है. Then solve करना है. Answer 54 होगा. Then another tip is choosing the right starting point. This I have already discussed in previous example. वो seating arrangement वाला problem एक example है. नहीं तो ये question देखिए 2020 नवंबर question है. Make a try all of you. Okay, this question, if you use the right approach, this question can be done super fast. Starting point is the important thing. Or this is like finding the catch in the question itself. Question is asking, which of the following cannot, this cannot, not can, cannot be sitting at the center. 7 people are there, na? 7 people are there. So, center means in the 7 people, this is center. Matlab 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth position from the left, fourth position from the right, that is center. Now look at it. Due to lack of time, I will start explaining fast. This is a starting point. Is C is sitting 4 places to the left of F. So, कौन होगा center पे? That is a question now. Let us place F at the center and try to satisfy this condition in the question. If C is sitting 4 places to the left of F means first, second, third, fourth. There is no position available here ना. F के पहले सिर्फ 3 positions ही available है. Because center के पहले सिर्फ 3 position available है. If there are 7 people. 7 seats. That is why this condition cannot be satisfied if F is at the center. F is at the center is the problem na. So who cannot be sitting at the center? F cannot be sitting at the center. क्योंकि F sitting at the center मतलब ये question contradict हो जाएगा. Question का this data C sitting at left 4 places to the left of F is contradicting. That is why option D is the answer. So this was a starting point to do this question. If you do that, start with that starting point, it is super easy. This is another question asked in 2019 GATE, and the same type question was repeated in 2018 NET, or 2018 it was asked first in NET. That will help you for CSIR. CSIR का previous year questions GATE के लिए भी helpful होगा. That is why the new GATE course we are starting from August 1st onwards in our mobile application Christy's classes. That will help you to an extent for your CSIR preparation also, especially the non-verbal ability part. So anyway, this question you can try as homework. Now next hack is being fast in arithmetic. Kuch question ke liye being fast in arithmetic is important. Adjacent means next place, Ilma. Neighboring place, that is adjacent place. Being fast in arithmetic कुछ क्वेश्चन के लिए यूजफुल है. ये 2017 वाला PYQ में 8 स्क्वायर प्लस 15 स्क्वायर किया तो 17 स्क्वायर मिलेगा. 5 स्क्वायर प्लस 12 स्क्वायर किया तो 13 स्क्वायर मिलेगा. 7 स्क्वायर प्लस 24 स्क्वायर किया तो 25 स्क्वायर मिलेगा. So x square plus 40 square 41 square, x का value 9 मिलेगा. What I am trying to say is here there was calculation of squaring, adding of squares etc. है ना. So कुछ question के लिए your arithmetic skills matters. Not for every question. Majority of the question it is not about arithmetic skills. It is more about the logical or analytical skills. But few questions के लिए arithmetic fast होना important है. Percentage questions also. For that I have taught you the percentage Mendel math. Those of you are not familiar with it, check out the previous lectures where I have explained percentages. Any particular topic if you want to learn from me, in Google you just search that topic by Christy Varghese. You will find videos. Not only in my channel, I have given free classes, many platforms. In Unacademy, in other platforms also I have given free classes. That also are available, most of them. So by searching in Google, you can find the videos in this channel. This channel we have already posted almost I think 1500 videos. NET, GATE, other exams combined. NET exam के लिए ही almost 1000 videos upload किया है. But more videos other channels पे भी available है. So Google पे topic mention करके मेरा नाम search किया तो you will find more videos in different channels which I have posted. Okay, so another tip is learning basic formula. Many chapters formula are important. For example, mensuration chapter में area, perimeter, volume का formula. Last class, expected question class में भी, flashcard revision lectures में भी, I have shown you that basic formula that is needed. Especially mensuration का formula. Clock में एक formula है, sorry, calendar में half into modulus of 60h minus 11m. I have shown you already that. तो some chapters में formulas है. Number system का formula, sum of first and natural number, sum of first and odd natural number, sum of first and even natural number. Those things also please revise before the exam. So learning basic formula or revising basic formula before exam is important. Now next step is double check the keyword in the question. This I have already explained in previous question. Can के जगह cannot question में पूछ सकता है. Otherwise incorrect पूछ सकता है correct का जगह. So you have to understand question properly or read the question properly. In hurry, you should not misread the question. Misread किया तो negative mark मिलने का chance है, because that wrong answer you will tick and that will lead to negative mark ना. So double check the keyword in the question. For example, ये November 2020 में ये question पूछा था. ये question में many people, the mistake they made is they read this data as rupees instead of rupees per carat. रुपीस रीड किया तो एक दूसरा आंसर मिलेगा, वो दूसरा आंसर ऑप्शंस में है, and that will give you a negative mark only because that is wrong. Audio video clear na? So double check the keywords in the question is very important. ट्रूथ के जगह फॉल्स पूछ सकता है, करेक्ट के जगह इनकरेक्ट पूछ सकता है, कैन के जगह कैनॉट लिख सकता है. Otherwise these kinds of things, a small word if you misread you will get a wrong answer. So double check the keywords, that is very important. Now another tip is find the easy common sense question. This is an example of a common sense question. It's a general science question, but it is common sense because this is AN reverse NA, EF reverse FP, GH reverse HG, NS reverse SN. These are atomic names of some elements. Yeah, common sense means your common understanding is also needed because this is very basic chemistry na. General science question बहुत कम आया है, but this is one of those questions, but this can be done by using common sense or common understanding. So now what is this NaFeHgSn? Na is sodium, sodium का first letter है S. Fe is iron, iron का first letter है I. Hg is mercury, mercury का first letter है M. Sn is tin, tin का first letter है T. So that is the idea. Option A is the answer. Option A is the answer. Now, contrary to the previous hack that finding easy common sense question, beware of very simple questions. Some question may look like this is so silly, so trivial, but there can be more to that. For example, ये question 2017 में पूछा था. Make a try, all of you, if you are getting answer, mention it. 2017 वाला PYQ है. Otherwise, try this question. Let us see a latest question. 2023 वाला PYQ है. 2023 वाला PYQ है. Okay, I'll explain. This question, some people at least make mistakes by thinking that the question is asking 600 speed दिया है, 1000 speed दिया है, average speed क्या है? 600 plus 1000 by 2 होना चाहिए, ऐसा सोचना गलत है. आंसर 800 नहीं है. If you got 800, that is wrong. That 800 will be there in the option to trick you or give you negative mark. That's why I told you beware of very simple answers. When you get 800, you have to think, is the question, will the question be that simple to get the answer this fast? Yeah, sometimes that happens. Very silly questions are there. But here there are chances that we have missed something. Yeah, here what we missed is the time taken to go from Delhi to Mumbai and Mumbai to Delhi are not same. Time same नहीं है तो speed को average नहीं कर सकता. There is a shortcut formula for that. 2 times first speed into second speed divided by first speed plus second speed. It is not S1 plus S2 by 2. It is 2 S1 S2 divided by S1 plus S2. इसका theory speed distance time chapter में detail discuss किया है. Go through that. 2 times S1, that is 600, into S2 1000 divided by 600 plus 1000. So simplify किया तो आंसर मिलेगा 750 is the answer, not 800. So beware of very simple answers also. Same way ये 2017 question, speed का जगह density है. So 2d1 d2 divided by d1 plus d2, that is a similar formula. Yeah, you can compare this formula and learn. S1 S2 d1 d2 formula is identical. वो स्पीड का था, वो ये डेंसिटी का था, बट दीज काइंड्स ऑफ सिनेरियोस द फॉर्मूला आर आइडेंटिकल एक्चुअली। ये सेम क्वेश्चन 2018 में गेट में आया था पहला, 2023 में CSIR में रिपीट हुआ। That is why I'm saying please go through GATE PYQs for CSIR, CSIR PYQs for GATE. It can help you because many a time same questions got repeated also. And for those people who want guidance from me for GATE, join our complete course for GATE starting from next week onwards. Check the description of this video to get the link to access the course. Okay, so this one same question itself 60 90. So the answer will be 2 times 60 into 90 divided by 60 plus 90. Same formula, 72 होगा आंसर. If you use 60 plus 90 by 2, 75 मिलेगा. That is गलत आंसर. That is there in option waiting for you. So the next tip I want to tell you, or next hack is consider all the cases of the question. Consider all the cases of the question means some people, the problem is they don't read the question properly. They just not reading the question. They think that only one of the cases working and they will answer the question. For example, this question, this was asked in 2018 NET exam. 2018 PYQ है. Try this question. Blood relation का question है. Blood relation chapter का question है. Once again, those of you have exam tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or next day, all the best for your exam. After exam, do let me know how was your exam, and if you remember any question, do share it. You can share it in our Telegram channel or Telegram group or WhatsApp group, or personally you can text me in Telegram or WhatsApp, or you can just mail me in this mail ID Christy1710. So whichever way is easy for you, send the question if you remember it, because if you send it faster, I can conduct that session faster, so that those people who have exams on the next day, for them also it will be highly beneficial. So try to support your friends also who are preparing for next day's exam, because aptitude section सारा पेपर का similar होगा. Repetition of question नहीं होगा, but type of questions many of times it gets repeated. For example, last time एक सुडोकू वाला question था, almost सारा papers में वो repeat हुआ था. Another question was this ranking and ordering का एक question था. Yesterday's lecture में we have discussed that. Ranking and ordering, Ramesh, Billu, something like that. Their 4 years of joining a college and the subjects they are choosing. ऐसा एक question आया था. So ये वो question भी सारा पेपर में similar था. I mean most papers में वो repeated था. Just small change ही था. That is why after exam, if you can see the questions, memory based questions, you can see of other subjects, please do that. And we will be conducting that paper analysis lecture tomorrow. So stay tuned for that, all of you. To Sangeeta. Sangeeta's daughter is my daughter's mother means my can refer to a male person also, female person also. If my refers to male person or husband's daughter's mother, I mean a male person's daughter's mother will be her wife, his wife, na? Or my refers to a male person, my daughter's mother refer to my wife. That means you can read this sentence as Sangeeta's daughter is my wife. Sangeeta's daughter is my wife means Sangeeta is my mother-in-law and I am son-in-law of Sangeeta. That is why some of you got son-in-law as the answer. But that is not the correct answer, because it is written only possibility. You consider only one of the case. Consider all the cases. Na? Consider all the cases means यहाँ पे second possibility, my refers to a female person. What if me is a female person? I am a female person if I imagine so. My daughter's mother will be who? My daughter's mother will be myself, na? Myself. मेरा daughter, वो daughter का mother मैं खुद होगा ना? Sangeeta's daughter is myself, or Sangeeta's daughter is me. Sangeeta's daughter is me means I am the daughter of Sangeeta. So daughter भी एक possibility है ना? Son-in-law भी possibility है, daughter भी possibility है, लेकिन दोनों only possibility नहीं है. So option D is the answer. A classic example of if you miss one case, you will get a wrong answer. So consider all the cases of the question. This is another example. Seating arrangement chapter का, ranking ordering chapter का, ये सारा chapters में multiple cases होने का chances ज़्यादा है. ये रैंकिंग ऑर्डर का क्वेश्चन है, मल्टीपल केसेस इसमें भी है. So please consider all the cases of the question, otherwise you may get a wrong answer. So that are the major hacks I want to tell you before exam. Hope you all understood this. More practice questions I will include this. If possible, I will try to share this PDF in the groups if possible. So do let me know how was the session, and do comment on this video, like this video, share this video to maximum people. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming free classes, and you will get full access to the recorded videos of this channel also. And once again, all the best for those people who have exam in the next 2-3 days. Those of you are preparing for December exam, start your preparation rigorously now. We have complete courses for CSIR-NET. The live version of the complete course we are planning to start from August end onwards. We will let you know when we are starting. Recorded version already is available, so live course price will be higher than the recorded price. If you want it at minimum price, you can join the recorded course now itself. And GATE के लिए, if you are preparing for GATE 2025 exam, once again I am telling you, the complete course for GATE we are starting from August 1st. Live complete course है. इसमें 100 live classes, I mean 100 hours of live class plus recordings होगा. Verbal non-verbal दोनों कवर होगा. जनरल एप्टीट्यूड 15 मार्क्स है. एप्टीट्यूड गेट एग्जाम में वो 15 मार्क्स to make you do those 15 mark questions. That is this course all about. So verbal और non-verbal दोनों part cover होगा. 10 verbal lecture, 48 non-verbal lecture, 2 exam hacks lecture, and 6 live doubt clearing session lectures. All these are part of this course plus study materials. So and आपका डाउट क्लियरेंस के लिए there are separate telegram group, WhatsApp group, question and answer session after every class, live doubt clearing session after every 9 class. All these are included. This is the complete schedule of the 66 lectures in this course, including the doubt clearing session. First 4 months classes होगा, 15 classes per month. 4 months में classes complete करेगा. Then more question practice or this mock test etc will be conducted. That is how we are planning this course. The complete course, so everything you need for GATE 2025 General Aptitude will be there in this course. So let your friends also know about this course. This course is for all GATE aspirants, whether you are life science or mathematical science or physical science or chemical science or earth science or any of the engineering stream also. GATE General Aptitude course is common. You all are welcome to be part of this GATE General Aptitude course. Now it is available at limited time offer price. Check the description of the video to access the course link and join for the course. You can access the classes in laptop and mobile app, Christy's Classes. Website name is christysclasses.in. So that's it. Once again, all the best for those people who have exam this week. Do well, as I told. Keep your presence of mind as good as possible and solve questions so that the negative marks can be reduced. So that's it. And next days we will try to conduct the paper analysis series. Like when I get more questions, like when I get good number of questions from students, that is when I will schedule the class. If I get it tomorrow noon itself the session we will conduct after the first exam. If afternoon, if I get, we will conduct it afternoon. Or if tomorrow I'm not getting questions from students, day after tomorrow will be the paper analysis session. So if any of your friends are writing exam tomorrow, ask them to send the questions so that we can conduct the paper analysis tomorrow itself. So memory, because question papers will not be published after the exam immediately. So question paper will be published only after a few days. That is why only memory based wordings or memory based questions we can have for tomorrow and day after tomorrow. But that we will have after that. When the question paper is released, we will have a more detailed analysis also for the next, I mean December NET exam also. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. Have a good night. Once again, all the best all of you for your preparation. After exam, do let me know how was your exam. Yeah, don't worry. After exam, some may feel like I could not do my best. I did, but whether it is enough or not, those kinds of things, please, after exam, leave all those things. After exam, relax for 2-3 days. So, and after exam, do let me know how was your exam, how was your general aptitude section, how was your overall exam. Like to hear from all of you. So once again, all the best. May God bless you all. See you all on the next paper analysis lecture. And please go through the previous videos if you are new to the channel, so that you can have a quick revision before the exam, and recommend this channel to maximum people. A gentle request to all of you. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good night.